So guys, I'm going to show you what the Resident Evil amiibos unlock for Resident Evil 9. So just to start, both these are $30, they're out of stock everywhere. So one thing that a lot of people are noting is that their faces look pretty bad. There's really not much detail on the faces. I'll show you scanning in a few. Look at the back. So again, the back, decent detail here. Alright, so next is scan them. Also, this is a cardboard. They're standard amiibo boxes. So to scan the amiibos, first go to the title screen. Select amiibo. Scan the bottom. The first time you do this is the animation.
Alright, I can use that.
Grace next.
That did it.
They also have a lot of lines if you keep scanning them.
This is my lucky day.
I'll show you all those at the end of the video.
Thanks. Thank you.
So this is actually not that straightforward. What do you have to do next? Go back to your title screen. Select bonuses. Select bonus settings. So for both of these, just press to the right. So now it's bringing it up. Switching to first person. Grace next. For Grace is their SNS M232. You can find us in the bar in the care center. Yeah, so it's just a weapon skin for both. Switching to third person. So yeah guys, not the most exciting, but the good thing is if you don't buy them, you're not missing out on much. So now for all the error messages when you keep scanning them.
Alright, I can use that. Never a dull day. This is my lucky day. But I don't give up that easy. Story of my life. Look, I get it. Trust me, I get it.
That did it. All right. Remember your training, Grace. Thanks. Thank you. I'm here. Don't worry. It's okay.
Alright guys, thanks for making this far. I actually have a full Resident Evil 9 video for the Switch 2 coming up. I'll link that above when it's done. Subscribe if you want to see that.